welcome to another video to Secret Garage. Today we're gonna put Thor on a dyno. We're just gonna see what it makes. It's got only a single turbo, stock ECU, stock injector, stock everything. Just an eBay turbo, Rev 9 turbo. So we're gonna see what it makes, and then from there we're gonna be doing upgrades later in the future. We're gonna make a stick shift, and we're gonna be putting a FUELTECH. So we'll see what it makes. But as of right now, we're just gonna get a baseline like the same way we did with the Panda, where we know where we're starting with and then how far we can get it from there. So let's see what it makes today.
¿Qué quieres? ¿El de 320?
¿El 320?
Ok.
Ya.
A ver. Abajo.
¿Vale?
Short. Make it shorter, because I recorded a lot.
That's fine, that's fine.
Oh, my bad.
I edit. No, está bien. If you don't record, that's when it's bad. Alright, so we're gonna take all the passes where we couldn't do it in second gear, in third gear, and we're gonna show you guys what it made on stock compute, on stock ECU. Tiene que quitarle el verde ya. Alright, so these are the two passes it did. He started recording a little late here, but that's fine. So it made 336 and 329. And what I like is about how nice the mixture is, man. That's perfect. So that's more or less what we were estimating, and that's what it's making. That's about perfect right there for what he's got. So I mean, that's not bad. What do you think?
Bueno.
So again, ¿está botando un poquito de agua? Ah, está bien. El aire no está acá al frente.
¿Dónde está botando la?
Sí, por la junta de la tapa, Joshua. Alright, let's turn it off. Temperature is real good, everything is good. Y lo apagué, pasa que después los pases no va a apagar rápido, que se cocina la turbina. ¿Dónde está? Johnny, ¿qué tú crees? Para estar factoría todo.
Bastante bien, bastante bien.
Esto es...
105 caballos, papi, seguro, 40%.
¿Que sí qué? So,
Aire y todo, no te puedes quejar.
con aire y power steering.
Mira,
Ah,
algo, desmóntala.
dice lo que la quería vender. Escucha.
¿Que la venda?
Sí.
Oye, pues sí que la prenda.
No, véndelo.
La iba a vender.
Nah.
¿Verdad que la iba a vender?
Sí, véndelo. ¿Por qué no? 1.500,
Don't make it. So yeah, what do you think, Ever?
It's a damn good number.
I was like, hell yeah.
Te cura.
Que sí que.
Hell yeah, I like it.
So, Ever, you gotta say the conclusion. So everybody take a photo.
Subscribe, hit the bell notification. See you next time.
Bro, I gotta teach you how to do it, man. You gotta say, so everybody thank you for watching. Let's subscribe to the next video. We got Thor coming out. Dang, spin. What's up with all these guys and doing a one wheel wonder spinning? Bro, look at this car. You guys will not believe that I drive a Supra, but this is my daily. My daily 94 Old Faithful Camry. Just because I drive a Supra doesn't mean I can ride in this beauty. This car is very something.